Festival of Holidays confirmed to be here, so here we go. So here we go. Alright, let's get out of here before we hear another Mater joke. Of course, we saw on the other side, we saw lightning lane signs just being installed on the Disneyland side. But now, I'm curious to see what they do on this side. I know a lot of people are curious because this is the land where it has the premium ones where you have to pay like, I believe it was like $9 for Radiator Springs, which honestly, you're better off riding single rider. Sure, you're gonna be split. Sure, you're gonna get split up, but better than paying $15. More vloggers. Someone's occasionally you're gonna get copycats, so thankfully we have no more crying kids because they suck. Alright, here we go as we now head to Radiator Springs Racers, which yes, I will be reviewing. Be a single rider, but I have to get my GoPro ready for it. And let's see. Nope. Surprise, it still says Fast Pass. Wouldn't be surprised. This one's probably going to be the last one to get it, considering it will be the last one because you have to light it up. If there's no one to see. Alright, so we're going to make our way towards Grizzly. We're going to head off to Grizzly, I guess. See you in a bit. Alright. We have arrived. We are, okay, here we are. Whew. We're at Grizzly. There's a meet and greet. As we are approaching Grizzly Rapids, we're gonna go this way, and the Villains Grove sign is down for the sun part. And like I said, next year I am hoping to do Halloween Oogie Boogie Bash here. I promise you that. Who knows? Maybe I can do it twice. Maybe I'll do it twice, but at the most part, we're probably going to do it the solo time and try and get everything. Because I know a lot of people are saying I need to do Villains Grove, and unfortunately, they're still putting stuff away. So chances are it's going to be a while before it comes back. Hopefully by the time I come back Thursday, it should be ready. So I swear, did they get Gilbert Gottfried to do the safety spiel? And you can see the Christmas decor is up. And look, the bear has instead of the jack-o'-lantern, he now has the Christmas sweater on. Oh, this is so nice and peaceful.
She was.
Seriously, it sounds like Gilbert Gottfried. I like the old guy voice better.
Huh?
So, yep, the bear is up, and yep, there it is. Lightning Lane is up here, but it still has the Fast Pass sign up. But I gotta say, 1,000 points for the new sign on top there, so. Well, since we're in the neighborhood, Monorail. And by the way, yes, that will be a night ride tonight, but we are not gonna try. We're not gonna try and get through the. We are not gonna try and get through the. Not gonna make it the last ride before the 7:30 close cutoff. Cause that walk, man, last time, phew, was kind of torturous to say the least. And of course, during this time of the year, the geyser hasn't been awakened. In fact, I would be surprised during the refurb, they're gonna get it all set up, ready to go. All right, here we go. Here we are. I don't think we've vlogged this far since one of the Downtown Disney days. Which, by the way, those videos have yet to come up yet, so stay tuned. Those videos will soon be coming to the channel shortly. And oh, there you see the Christmas decor is coming up. Now the big question is, as the Lightning Lane signage come on soaring, and the answer is nope, not for the most part. So it's gonna be a while before. So I don't think it's gonna be November. Anyone think possible November? Maybe, but right now I just don't know how Lightning Lane's going to debut yet. So, okay, so we're practically done. I think we're done here for DCA. Thankfully, Thursday we'll be back, so we're going to be starting here. So, whatever rides we didn't get to today, it's okay. We'll get more on it in the coming, more on Thursday. So, including that redo of the Doctor Strange show. And once again, Smoke Jumpers is doing mobile orders. So yeah, all day tomorrow I'm probably gonna have to strategize lunch and everything. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. Stay tuned, everyone.